To enter a maintenance request, be sure you have clicked on the Main Request tab. Read the introductory paragraph for any notes from your account administrators. As you fill out the form, remember that a red check mark next to a field means it is required information. Your name and email address will already be filled in for you. Enter a phone number if needed. Select the location where the work needs to be done. You can select a building if needed, or if it is required in your account. Enter the area room number where the work needs to be done. Select the problem type that best represents the work you're requesting. Enter a description of your request. The more information you enter, the more helpful it will be for the technician completing the work. The remaining fields may be different on your request form depending on how your organization set up the account. Enter any other information that you need, making sure to fill out any fields with a red check mark. To finish your request, enter your organization's submittal password. This is different than your personal password and should be provided to you by your account administrator. If you have previously entered a request and have forgotten the submittal password, click the Forgot Password link to have it emailed to you. If you logged in using our single sign-on solution, you will not see the submittal password step on your form. Click Submit to enter your request. It will now be sent to the appropriate people within your organization to complete the work.